want to go to school.
That again? We can't go to school.
You're just afraid you can't do it.
I'm not afraid. You're the one who gets afraid.
Shut up!
Julia, your school, does it take all kinds of people? I mean, what if some of them were not human? What if some were, I don't know, sea monsters?
Sea monsters?
I doubt your school would even accept sea monsters, right?
That's a weird joke, Alberto.
Yeah, I know, it's kind of hard to imagine. So let me just show you.
No! Come on. Julia, wait! We don't have time to goof around. Help! Don't hurt us!
See? I knew this would happen.
Sea monster!